In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an audiobook with AI and clone your voice in Elevenlabs. To get started, open your Elevenlabs dashboard and look over to the left-hand menu. From there, click on the Voices tab, then choose Create Voice. This is where you will decide how you want to build your cloned voice. You will usually see two main options. The first is Instant Voice Clone. This option only needs about 10 seconds of clear speech. So it's the faster and easier method if you want to get started quickly. Just keep in mind that while it works well for short samples, it may sound a little less natural for long-form narration like a full audiobook. The second option is Professional Voice Clone. This requires much more audio, typically 10 to 30 minutes or more of clean, high-quality recordings with no background noise. This method is better if you want a more realistic and consistent voice for longer projects. But it does require a paid plan. After choosing the option that fits your needs, record the verification phrase to confirm that the voice belongs to you. Then save it. Once that's done, select the voice, add your audio file, and save again. After it finishes processing, click My Voices, and you should see your newly added voice listed there. Next, navigate to the Projects or Studio section inside Elevenlabs. Create a new project. Give it a title, and then upload or paste in your manuscript. Once your text is in place, select your cloned voice as the narrator under the voice selection area. Now click the settings icon next to the voice. This is where you can improve the final listening experience for stability. Lower the slider a bit to allow for more natural emotional variation and pacing. If stability is set too high, long narration can start to sound flat or robotic. Then adjust similarity, so the generated narration stays close to your original voice characteristics. Turn on speaker boost as well, since that can help add clarity and presence to the recording. Under playback settings, adjust the volume as needed. And if appropriate, add fade-ins and fade-outs to give the audiobook a cleaner, more polished feel. Once everything looks good, click Generate. The AI will begin creating the narration, and it can automatically organize your manuscript into separate chapters. When it's finished, listen through the audio carefully so you can catch any words that may be mispronounced. After you are happy with the result, export the finalized audiobook as a zip file with numbered chapters. If you want immediate listener access, you can also publish the audiobook directly to the 11 Reader app. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.